Details. Details that are purely thoughtful, purely natural, purely fancy feast. New, delicious entrees, carefully crafted in every way. Flake tuna, white meat chicken. Never any byproducts or fillers. Finally, purely natural, tastes purely fancy feast. Love is in the details.
In the nation, what's precious to you is precious to us. So when coverage really counts, you can count on Nationwide. We put members first. Join the nation.
Nationwide is on your side.
Yes, we are twins. When I went on to Ancestry, I just put in the name of my parents and my grandparents. And I was getting all these leaves, and I was going back generation after generation. You start to see documents, and you see signatures of people that you've never met. I mean, you don't know these people, but you feel like you do. You get connected to them. I wish that I could get into a time machine and go back 100 years, 200 years, and just meet these people. Being on Ancestry, it just made me feel like I belonged somewhere.
Discover your story. Start searching for free now at Ancestry.com.
And $1 hot dogs for National Hot Dog Day. Pretty amazing.
Peter, wouldn't it be great if you could live every day like it was National Hot Dog Day?
Sure.
Wait, don't answer yet.
Okay.
Actually, that's it. Go ahead and answer.
$1 chili cheese conies and all-American hot dog.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a flash flood warning for central Marion County until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. Doppler radar estimated that 1 to 2 inches with locally higher amounts had fallen since 10 p.m. in a swath from near Claremont and Speedway through downtown Indianapolis. RTV6 Studios downtown recorded 2.37 inches of rain since 10:05 p.m.
Damn.
Up to an additional half inch to 1 inch is possible before the rain ends. Some locations that will experience flooding include Indianapolis, Lawrence, Beech Grove, Speedway, Cumberland, Warren Park, Rocky Ripple, Windale, Spring Hill, Crow's Nest, North Crow's Nest, Monument Circle, Indiana, State Fairgrounds, and Eagle Creek Reservoir. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 107 and 123. Interstate 70 between mile markers 75 and 93. Interstate 74 between mile markers 71 and 97. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday for the following county: Marion, Indiana,